Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.
I'm gonna spray the pan, and then I'm going to take the Oreos, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip them first into the egg like this, get them nice and coated, and then dip it into the flour like this, get it nice and coated. And then dip it back into the egg like that, get it nice and coated again. And then we're gonna get the Cheeto dust, the Flamin Hot Cheeto dust, and I'm going to coat it with the Flaming Hot Cheeto dust like this. And then I'm going to put it on the cookie sheet like that. And I'm gonna do it with the rest of the Oreos. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, and there. And once it's done, look at this. I'm gonna zoom in close so you can see this. This is how you make Cheeto covered Oreo cookies. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.